Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, welcome. So in this video we will talk about something जो मैं 2 सालों से रह चुकी हूँ. So I hope कि मैं बस 2 सालों का एक्सपीरियंस ही तुम्हारे साथ शेयर कर पाऊँ, क्योंकि इसके बाद I hope कि मैं ये पर्सन नहीं रहूँ, a dropper, a neat dropper. So yeah, I can talk about this because I know that feeling of being that one neat aspirant or neat dropper. Scrolling through success stories, watching friends move on, feeling left behind. This is the side of neat dropping no one prepares you for. If you are watching this, chances are either you are a neat dropper or you know someone who is. And if that is the case, you already understand the struggle is real. For a neat dropper, every day feels like a race against time. No school, no college, just you, your books, and the pressure to prove yourself. The fear of failure really never leaves, and the weight of expectation always grow heavier. Slowly, the motivation fades. You stop talking to friends, you isolate yourself. Even the things you once enjoyed doesn't feel the same anymore, and that is how the depression creeps in. Not all at once, but little by little, until one day you don't even recognize yourself. There are days when no matter how hard you try, nothing goes into your brain. You stare at the pages, but all you hear is your own thoughts. What if I fail again? What if this was a mistake? What if I am not good enough? You stop talking to people because no one really understands. Friends have moved on, family keeps asking kitna ho gaya, and slowly you start avoiding everyone. Locking yourself in a room, staring at a book that feel heavier every day. Some nights you just sit there, staring at nothing, feeling completely empty. The frustration builds up, the tear comes without warning, and you wonder, why is this happening to me? Will I ever get out of it? Sleep doesn't feel like rest, eating feels like a task, and no matter how hard you study, it never feel enough. You start comparing yourself to others, to toppers, to the one who made it in one attempt, and every comparison pushes you deeper into self-doubt. The fear of disappointing your parents, the fear of left behind, the fear of wasting another year, it all becomes too much. And the worst part, no one talks about this. No one warns you that dropping a year isn't just about need. It is about surviving yourself, your own thoughts, your own fear. While you are stuck in the same cycle, life outside keeps moving. Your friends are graduating, posting about their college life, moving forward, and you are still here, still chasing the same dream, still stuck in that same room with same books, with same suffocating pressure. No one sees you staring at the ceiling at 2 a.m. No one sees you breaking down in shower because it is the only place where you can cry without hearing. No one sees that days when you cannot even gather the strength to get out of bed because your own expectations is crushing you. You feel like a background character in your own life, just existing, just waiting, just hoping that maybe one day this pain will worth something. But the truth is, not everyone makes it. Some give up, not because they didn't try, but because they had nothing left to give. Some walk away, leaving a version of themselves they can never recover, and some never find their way back at all. That is the reality of neat droppers. The reality no one really talks about. Bye. Take care.